Welcome back to Sangkap Sarap TV. Today we're making a mouth-watering Mongolian beef paired with classic Yang Chow-style Chao Fan. Imagine tender, caramelized beef coated in a sweet savory sauce, paired with flavorful fried rice loaded with chicken, ham, shrimp, and vegetables. It's restaurant quality at home. Grab your wok, and let's cook up this crowd-pleasing meal together. Mongolian beef with Chao Fan. Ingredients: 1 kilo beef sirloin or tenderloin, thinly sliced. Against the grain. 4 tablespoons cornstarch. 4 tablespoons cooking oil, for searing. Half a cup soy sauce. 4 tablespoons brown sugar, adjust if you prefer sweeter. 1/4 cup water. 2 teaspoons oyster sauce, optional but recommended. 2 teaspoons sesame oil. 6 cloves garlic, minced. 2 teaspoons grated ginger, optional. 2 teaspoons cornstarch plus 4 tablespoons water, slurry, optional for thicker sauce. 1 cup spring onions, cut into 1 to 2 inch pieces. Procedure: toss the sliced beef with cornstarch until evenly coated. Heat oil in a pan over high heat. Cook the beef in batches, do not overcrowd the pan. Sear for 1 to 2 minutes per side. Remove and set aside. In the same pan, sauté garlic and ginger. Add soy sauce, brown sugar, water, and oyster sauce. Let it simmer for 1 to 2 minutes. Return the beef to the pan. Toss quickly to coat in the sauce. Add the cornstarch slurry if you prefer a thicker sauce. Finish with sesame oil and spring onions. Chicken and ham Chao Fan, Yang Chow-style fried rice. Ingredients: 12 cups day-old rice. 300 grams chicken breast, diced small. 200 grams ham, diced small. 150 grams shrimp, optional but recommended. 4 eggs. 2 cups mixed vegetables, carrots, peas, corn. 6 cloves garlic, minced. 6 tablespoons soy sauce. 2 teaspoons sesame oil, optional. Salt and pepper to taste. 4 to 6 tablespoons cooking oil. Spring onions, for garnish, optional. Procedure: use a wok or large pan over medium-high heat. Add 1 tablespoon oil. Cook diced chicken breast until lightly browned and fully cooked, about 3 to 4 minutes. Remove and set aside. Add a little oil if needed. Cook shrimp for 1 to 2 minutes until pink. and set aside. Add oil, sauté garlic until fragrant. Add diced ham and cook for 1 to 2 minutes. Push ingredients to the side. Crack eggs into the pan and scramble. Break into small pieces. Add day-old rice. Break up any clumps. Pour soy sauce and mix evenly. Return chicken and shrimp to the pan. Add mixed vegetables. Season with salt, pepper, and sesame oil. Stir fry for 3 to 5 minutes until everything is evenly combined and rice grains are separated. Top with chopped spring onions. Serve hot. And there you have it, your delicious Mongolian beef with Chao Fan, packed with flavor and perfect for any dinner. If this recipe made your mouth water, like this video. Comment below who you'd share this meal with. Subscribe to Sangkap Sarap TV and hit the notification bell so you never miss a recipe that will wow your family and friends. Share this video and bring the taste of home-cooked Asian comfort food to everyone you know.